The X63-5W is a versatile milling machine designed for metalworking. It offers both vertical and horizontal milling functions. The horizontal spindle has a speed range of 40 to 1,300 revolutions per minute, 12 steps. The vertical milling head features automatic feeding and automatic return functions for efficient operation. With a wood table size of 1370 by 254 millimeters and a travel range of 800 by 350 by 400 millimeters x, y, z axis, it handles various workpiece sizes. The feed speed reaches 20 to 1000 millimeters per minute, ensuring flexibility in machining.